Top 27. Because Top 27 was every single California driver, including financially disadvantaged drivers who don't qualify consumers. Top 27 also provides you with millions of dollars every year for permanent solutions to homelessness, mental health, and addiction in California. By taxing and regulating online sports betting with strong protections for minors, we can protect tribal sovereignty and help the people in our state that are hurting the most. Digital sports entertainment and gaming companies. Committee major funding from Penn Interactive Ventures.
Buy your car completely online or reserve your brand new ride while in transit. Hey, it's Shondo Grant of DGDG, and right now is the perfect time to take advantage of exciting incentives on brand new cars, trucks, SUVs, and electric vehicles at all of our Northern California locations. We've got thousands of vehicles to choose from with brand new models arriving daily. You can buy your new or used car from start to finish completely online with our exclusive no-brainer checkout. And yes, you can even reserve your new vehicle while in transit.
Now that makes me happy.
So be happy. Just shop online and buy online. Spend more time enjoying your ride and less time at the dealership. Join over 300,000 happy car buyers and experience the fast, easy, and hassle-free way to buy a car with no-brainer checkout. Enjoy the outstanding offers you'll find right now at DGDG. That's DGDG.
Every search you make, every click you take, they'll be watching you.
Are you tired of being tracked online? There's a simple solution. DuckDuckGo. It's an all-in-one privacy app with a built-in private search engine, web browser, one-click data clearing, email protection, and more. All for free. Download the app today and get the most comprehensive privacy protection with the push of a button. DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified.
Kirby is your driveway mechanic. They bring the shop to you with brake and tire replacements, oil changes, and much more. It's the ultimate convenience. Easy booking, transparent pricing, on-time arrivals, and service right in your driveway. No waiting rooms, and direct access to your mechanic with friendly and reliable service. No middleman or upsells. They're so sure you'll love the convenience. Take $50 off your first oil change with code OIL50 at Kirby.com. That's CURBEE.com and use code OIL50. Kirby, your driveway mechanic.
KCBS Traffic and Weather together. Victor's in your local Honda dealers traffic center. We are going to Pleasanton.
And slow traffic on 680 in northbound direction just as you approach Sonoma Boulevard. So just slightly past Stone Ridge Drive, there was some debris in the right lane that has been cleared. So that's caused quite a bit of a slowdown there. By the time you reach 580, you'll be clearing at the speed limit. Speaking of 580, you have slow to heavy traffic coming out of Castro Valley. That'll be eastbound 580. Right after Grove Way over the Dublin Grade in the Pleasanton Dublin area. It does ease up by the time you get to Santa Rita Road. After that, looks like it's a smoother ride through Livermore. In the Walnut Creek area, very heavy traffic on eastbound 24 and northbound 680, just as they both transition together. There was some debris right before you get to Highway 242, blocking lanes and blocking the right lanes. Looks like that has been cleared, but it caused quite a bit of a slowdown. That's the reason why you're slow there.
Sunshiny day, temperatures ranging from the 60s along the coast, 60s, 70s around the bay, to the upper 80s and low 90s well inland in the East Bay and North Bay. And then overnight we drop down to the 50s. It's mostly clear tomorrow, much like today. 60s and 70s at the coast, 70s, 80s around the bay, upper 80s, low 90s inland. Traffic and weather together on KCBS.
It's not easy being the one everyone counts on to keep the facility running, no matter the weather or supply chain hiccups. But we get you, Raymond in Buffalo and Maria in Miami, Jules in Minneapolis, and Stan in Central Indiana, taking control of everything that's under your control. At Grainger, we're here for you with experienced brand staff at over 250 locations so you get the product you're looking for. Call clickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done. Nature Valley has helped restore access to 10,000 miles of national park trails. And